Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Facebook Lite is updated and that you have a stable connection. This prevents interrupted key exchanges. Open the app, go to the chat, and tap the contact's name to start the encrypted conversation setup. You'll request or scan the contact's safety number so both sides can verify identity. This step prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Once done, make sure the app shows the encryption indicator before sending sensitive media. Now you verify keys. Compare safety numbers visually or over a trusted call so you know why the keys match. If numbers differ, revoke the session and regenerate new keys. This forces a fresh end-to-end handshake and prevents compromised sessions. You should also enable encrypted backups or key sync in settings so future device changes retain access. Make sure to understand why regeneration occurred. It signals a potential security event. Finish by sending a short test message and a small attachment to confirm the encryption indicator remains active. This proves keys are working for media and text. If the indicator disappears, clear the app cache and reboot the phone, then reinstall Facebook Lite to reset stored sessions. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs and contact support. This helps them see handshake errors. One key tip: mismatched safety numbers usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.